Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be comparing different ways to ventilate, or let's say we are going to be comparing different ways to ventilate together. So there are different ways to ventilate, different ways to position your hand, and different ways to hold the strands of hair that you are using to ventilate. So let's compare it together and see how it looks like. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel to be part of this family. Now, number one is to fold the hair like this. So this is the number one, and pick two strands of hair. Pull it out and tight. So I'm going to compare. Let's know the one that is best in all this ventilation. Fold the hair like I just did, which is like leaving out a very few hair coming out. Then pick two strands of hair, pull it out and tight. Tell me what you think about this particular method of ventilation before we move over to other methods. So pick hair with your ventilating pin, pick two strands of hair, pull out and tight. I'm going to be sharing with you what I think about this method of ventilation after I've done other ones. So, but if you have done this type, if you have been doing this type of ventilation, this method of ventilation, if you mind, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this method. For the second method of ventilating, and you are going to bring out the hair a little bit, not like the first method, and start pulling out two strands of hair, start doing your normal ventilation. And this method, guys, is my favorite method of ventilation. And this what I'm doing is to pick two strands of hair and use my hand, use my hand to control the particular hair that I'm picking, because I don't want to pick more than two strands of hair. So once I pick two strands of hair, I will hold it with a finger, then pull it out, gradually pull it out and tight. Let me do it again. Hold and tight. Pick two strands of hair, hold it and pull it out. So I'm doing this to make sure that I pick the exact two strands of hair, and this is one of the reasons I like doing this method of ventilation. But I think I enjoyed this method because it helps me control the exact number of hair that I'm picking, and it also makes the ventilation fun. It makes it easy. If you have done this method of ventilation, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this particular method of ventilation. This is the third method you can ventilate, and in this method is just to ventilate without holding your hand, without using your finger to hold any strands of hair. So in this case, what we are going to do is just to put your needle in a hole, pull out two strands of hair and tie without using any finger to control any exact hair that you are picking. I don't know what you think about this particular method. If you have done this method of ventilation, tell me what you think about it. In fact, this second method and the third method in a way look similar, but the difference between the second and the third one is that you don't use any finger to control the third method. So tell me what you think about this method if you have done it. So thank you guys for staying to this moment, And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, subscribe to be part of this family. Bye.